What's the meaning of crop? Crop. Crop.
Crop. Crop. The term crop refers to the process of cutting or trimming plants, such as vegetables, fruits, and grains, for commercial or subsistence purposes. The result is a harvested product that can be used for consumption, sale, storage, or further processing. Crop cultivation is an essential component of modern agriculture and plays a significant role in providing food and other resources to meet human needs. Efficient crop management practices, including careful selection of planting sites, soil preparation, irrigation, pest control, and harvesting techniques, are critical to achieving high yields and maintaining sustainable agricultural systems.